I would like to thank the government and the people of China for the warm hospitality extended to me and to the Bangladesh delegation. I especially thank CCPIT for supporting us in preparation for the event and Chairman Ren Hongbin for taking time out of his busy schedule to attend this seminar despite the ongoing China International Supply China Expo. Bangladesh and China enjoy a relationship built over many decades. My father, late President Ziaur Rahman, laid the foundation of this bond, which was enhanced by my late mother, Prime Minister Khaleda Zia. It is a relationship of trust, respect, and practical cooperation. Over these years, this relationship has moved from diplomacy to development, from development to trade, and now from trade to deeper cooperation, including wide-range industrial partnerships. In the process, we are removing the hurdles in our relationship caused by the previous regime.